Why does North Carolina have something called the MAP Act? What is the intent?
Well, the intent behind the MAP Act is to slow down development in areas where the state or local governments intend to build a road. And the aim is to prevent increases in property values that will mean higher prices that the government has to pay when they later condemn or acquire the properties that will be needed for the roads.
What happens if people live in that corridor?
Well, if you have property in the corridor that is established under the MAP Act, then your property is restricted indefinitely. And it is restricted in terms of building permits and subdivision permits. So, in other words, you can't improve your properties or do anything that would increase the value of your property. And so that can go on indefinitely until the government decides to build the road, to acquire you in order to build the road.
Would you be able to sell your property, and would anyone even want your property if it was in that corridor, if you were even able to sell it?
You could sell it if you could find a willing buyer, but the problem is that people don't want to buy where a property is under a MAP Act because of all the restrictions that are on the property, and that they know that at some point in the future it might be taken for this road.